Okay, gentlemen, so let's start and talk a little bit about what we are going to do. We are going to build an application, and before we even start writing the application, we need to make a plan. Let's imagine that this is the window browser. Okay, so in the browser, we do want to divide our site into sections. So the first section we have will be the header, and the header will contain at our application the login area. The second area is going to be this left panel, and the left panel is going to contain actually a list of resources, and each resource will contain a name and an object, and the object will contain a URI, and the URI is going to be shown in the main panel. The main panel is going to be located over here, and also the main panel is the most important area in the site. It is going to be divided into 4 sections, as I'm going to show you here. Each section has its own pane, and the pane is going to show some information about each resource that is going to be dragged into it. And the last rectangle that we're going to create is in the bottom, and this rectangle is going to be called the footer. And the footer is going to contain all the information about adding a resource into the list. So we will put 2 inputs and a button, and the first input is going to be the name, the second one is going to be a URI, and a button that will add this resource and object into the list. And after we add it to the list, we could drag it over to one of our panes, like so. So that's basically it. This is the project that we are going to build. In the next tutorial, we are going to start creating the tags element, the HTML, and CSS a little bit, because it's not going to look boring like this. It's going to have colors, it's going to have a character, it's going to be very, very nice. So stay with me until the next one.